We know that the heart is one of the most important organs in the body, but have you ever wondered what the major structural components of the heart are? The heart is made of four major chambers. These are the left atrium, the right atrium, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. And through the structures that were just mentioned, blood is able to run through the heart on its way to the lungs to pick up oxygen, and then back from there and through the heart once again on its way to the tissues to deliver that oxygen. Let's understand this a bit further. If you take a look over here, blood first enters the heart through the right atrium and then passes down to the right ventricle. From there, blood is then able to go to the lungs to pick up oxygen, and then after doing so, it's able to come back to the left atrium of the heart, and through there, it's then passed down to the left ventricle and eventually to the tissues to deliver that oxygenated blood.